A new trove of files from the investigation into Jeffrey Epstein was released by the U.S. Justice Department on Friday. That's after months of wrangling and rebellion by some of President Donald Trump's staunchest supporters over his administration's reluctance to make public all files tied to the convicted sex offender. Reuters was in the process of reviewing the latest documents upon their release by the Justice Department, which bowed to pressure from lawmakers who forced the files' disclosure with the new law. Some files in the new release included photos of former President Bill Clinton and Rolling Stones singer Mick Jagger. In a note on the Justice Department website, it said all reasonable effort had been made to protect victims, but warned that some could be disclosed inadvertently. Trump had initially urged fellow Republicans in Congress to oppose the new law forcing the release of the files. He had warned that disclosing potentially sensitive records could set a dangerous precedent. However, many of his voters accused the Trump administration of covering up Epstein's ties to powerful people and hiding details surrounding his 2019 death in a Manhattan jail, which was ruled a suicide. On the campaign trail in 2024, Trump promised to declassify the Epstein files if elected. But he's been seeking to move on from the controversy so he can focus on issues like affordability ahead of the midterm elections next November. Trump and Epstein were once friends until a falling out before Epstein's conviction in 2008. The president has repeatedly denied knowing about Epstein's alleged sex trafficking. Trump's Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche told Fox News earlier on Friday that the DOJ would not release the entire cache of files related to Epstein. He said he expected hundreds of thousands more to be released in the coming weeks as the department reviewed them to protect victims' privacy.